Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. There's no need to cut your pant hems. With just a few simple stitches, you can transform wide pant hems into elegant pleats. Prepare a small paper triangle to use as your guide. Place it along the hem of your pants. Then sew neat, even stitches on both sides, following the edges of the triangle. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave your country in the comments below. It's always amazing to see our sewing community connecting from all around the world. Once you're done stitching, carefully remove the paper triangle, then gently pull the thread, and you'll see the pleats form beautifully on their own. Secure the thread on the inside of the hem. Hide the knot between the folds, and trim away any excess thread. In just a few minutes, you can give your pants a stylish pleated hem without cutting the fabric or using a sewing machine. Now let's move on to the second tip. This one is just as easy, and there's no need to cut your jeans. First, use a ruler to measure how much you want to take in around the thigh. Then make a next, take your needle and sew along the guidelines you marked earlier. Feel free to slow this part of the video down if you'd like to get a closer look at how I'm doing it. Once you've finished sewing, gently pull the thread. You'll see the thigh area become slimmer without cutting away any fabric. After that, secure the gathered section with a few strong stitches and trim off the excess thread. If you enjoyed this sewing tip, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and creative sewing hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.